Good morning, good afternoon and good evening YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech and welcome yourselves back to a brand new video. In today's one we're going to be looking at an old couple of Nintendo DS Lites. So this turquoise one that I've got on my hand now, we've done a previous video on which you'll be able to see up this side, I believe, of the card, and there's no power to it. There's no power to this Game Boy whatsoever. The top of the screen as well looks a little bit scuffed, as does the bottom. So I thought, do you know what I could do? I could take the motherboard and the battery out of another Nintendo DS Lite that's broke. This is where I'll bring in floppy grey, is what I call this one, which seems to work. So I'll turn it on. But the bottom screen is foobar, as is the top hinge. It's just, yeah. So I'm going to be taking the components from this Nintendo DS and putting it into this shell to see if the top screen and the bottom screen works. So as you can see on the top screen of this Nintendo DS, there is in fact a burn mark. So even if we manage to transfer over the components successfully, I don't think the screen's going to work, but there's only one way to find out, so let's get right into it. Before we do actually get into it, if you do enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and if anyone's new around here, hello, welcome to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, I can assure you that you would enjoy some of the others that I have, so make sure you go on and hit that subscribe button for more content. Apologies if there's quite a bit of shading in this one, guys. I'll try and keep it as minimal as I can, but I'm recording in the dark, so I've had to shut the blind, and I'm only using my desk lamp and the other light that's above my head, I guess. So just to confirm what I said in the intro, we're taking this silver Nintendo DS Lite, we're taking the components out of it, and we are transferring them to the turquoise one, which doesn't work. So let's start by taking everything out of these DS's. For this process of taking the Nintendo DS apart, I'm using a screwdriver, a 00 Phillips head, and also a 2.0 tri-wing head thing. And here we have it, our working motherboard from the grey Nintendo DS Lite. So what I'm going to do now is do exactly the same with the turquoise Nintendo DS, take it apart, transfer this motherboard into this DS, and then we're going to see if it actually turns on. Okay, so I'm just adding the final touches. So this is in fact the turquoise screen on the grey motherboard. I'm literally just putting the top bit in now. There it is. That was actually really easy, which makes a massive change. That's very easy. Okay, cool. And then all we should have to do is plug it in. I've said all as if like that's going to be the easiest thing in the world. I found this one of the hardest things to do when I first started this channel, is putting this ribbon cable in. I was very gentle with it, very gentle. Plus I didn't have my my good old ceramic tweezers, but now, as long as you get that pinch right, it's actually pretty easy. Again, we love these moments of truth. We love these moments of truth. I'm just going to put the motherboard screw back in. Then we're going to take the battery. Remember, this is for the top and the bottom screen, just to see if it works. Let's see the condition of these screens then. Yeesh. Bottom screen, hello. Is that fine? Wow, okay. Bottom screen works with no issues. Top screen is currently on a different mission by the looks of it. I'll show you again with a better angle. Off, on. Nintendo logo doesn't pop up. Yeah, you can barely see that. So top screen is gone. So all we have to do with this is replace the top screen, which is actually probably the biggest bit of effort, I think. And then once we've done that, we can close her on up. And yeah, this is the shell that I cleaned in the video previously. So that's a happy Joey. Okay, this is the turquoise screen. The only thing that I actually need from this is the surrounding color to make sure that it matches with the case. So we're gonna do that now really quick. Oh, we can't actually use it because it's got the burn on. I wonder if I can I get this burn off? Isopropyl alcohol, let's try it out. 99% IPA and a cotton bud. Can we work wonders? Microfiber cloth, much better. Nice. And now we're just gonna take the old gray one off. Perfect. And now, with the same one, put the green one on. Make sure we line it up correctly. Seems pretty spot on, I think. It's probably as best as we're gonna get it. And now it's time to reassemble. Okay, before we go any further and start actually putting the buttons back, should we actually see if this works? I think that'll be a good idea. Moment of truth. There we go. Lovely. I'll take the stylus, just make sure the bottom works. Poppy, there we go, look at that. Top's absolutely fine. Confirm, yep, that's good. Pink. Lovely, perfect, happy days, works absolutely fine. What I'm just gonna do is quickly reassemble it fully, and then I'm gonna put the Cats game in and make sure that works, because Cats is the best game on the market. Okay, test time. Time to get the best game in the world, Cats. And let's see if she works. There it is. Boot straight into it. You ready for the meow? Best part? There it is. Jesus Christ. Lovely. Gorgeous piece of kit. Yes, Joey, you are correct. What a lovely, gorgeous piece of kit this Nintendo DS Lite really is. I'm still on the hunt for some games. I'm keeping my eyes sharp on eBay to see if there's any good deals I can pick up instead of playing Cats. Now, I have also had a bit of a think, and I am going to be giving this Nintendo DS Lite away. It's got pretty much everything that you need, except for the stylus is a different colour to the shell and comes out with no issues whatsoever. We've got a black stylus for the turquoise shell, but it turns on, the speakers work. I'm probably gonna keep Cats. I'm not gonna give that away. The giveaway is not gonna be in this video, but I will do it in one up and coming. On that note, guys, if you are new to the channel or you watch my videos and you don't subscribe, I think the statistic is something like 85% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you do wanna chuck a subscription my way, so that sounds weird saying it like that. If you do want to chuck a sub my way, it will greatly help the channel, as well as a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. And if you didn't enjoy it, make sure you tell me in the comments as to why. I said it before and I say it again, the reason why I'm working so much with the Nintendo DS Lites at the moment is because value-wise, they're pretty cheap and the repairs kind of vary from quite difficult to really easy. So once I get a bit more familiar with these, we'll move on to other things. I'm slowly trying to move to different consoles, etc., but these will do for the time being. Speaking of which, spoiler alert, I may have just received a new iPhone screen for my iPhone. In another video, what I'm going to try and do is take out the flex cable that came with the new case, replace it with a new flex cable I've got, and then we're going to put on the front screen as a final touch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. As always, I upload at 4 p.m. every single Friday, and I actually stream on Twitch TV. I'm playing a lot of League of Legends at the moment, and that's every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at around about 6 p.m. GMT. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you later.